Good morning, guys. We are heading to
Harimba Temple and we're going to Vashisht waterfall.
and also Clubhouse will be doing a river crossing. So let's see how it goes. And today is a different ride than yesterday. Yesterday was awesome ride. That was Royal Enfield 350.
And today we have got a brand new Scooty Activa, 3 colors, especially on demand of our beautiful girls. So let's have fun.
Let me show you how they look. So these are the Activa that we have got today.
करके जाऊंगा करके आना करके वापस आना है ये देखो मैं
Now we are heading towards the Jogini waterfall. It's a 1.5 kilometers trek from Vashisht temple. Since yesterday we've been looking for a beautiful waterfall we haven't found yet. So let's see how is this one. There's a very strange thing I've found on this trek. This beautiful lady from Russia living in India for 8 years has started her own business. She's selling these beautiful paintings made by her husband and some of these, what do you call it?
Mandala.
Mandala. Some of these mandala made by hand. Beautiful. If you ever come here, do come here and buy some stuff from this lady.
Very thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
We are in Kasol right now. Time to eat some local food, that is momos. I'm going to show you now, and then we will head to some local sightseeing, and tomorrow we are going to Manikaran. Stay tuned. Yummy. We are on our way to Manikaran right now, and let me show you this beautiful Parvati river.
ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਏ ਸੋਈ ਜਨ ਜਾਣੇ ਹਰ ਗੁਣ ਸਦ ਹੀ ਆਖ ਵਖਾਣੇ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਜਾਣੇ